Welcome to our customer's EPS Block Factory. What you are seeing now is the machine cutting EPS blocks. This machine is a forming machine specifically designed for the production of EPS blocks. Our customer has customized this 6-meter EPS block machine to meet their production needs. This machine is equipped with Schneider PLC and a touch screen, achieving full automation, which greatly improves production efficiency and product quality. Once the EPS blocks are produced, they are precisely cut by this efficient EPS cutting machine, ensuring that each block meets the required size and shape standards. This machine can be equipped with a waste recycling system to recycle the cut scraps. If you need EPS equipment, please contact us.